Introduction to rhubarb. Rhubarb, the vibrant and tart vegetable, yes, it's botanically a vegetable, not a fruit, has been a beloved culinary staple for centuries. With its striking crimson stalks and distinct tangy flavor, rhubarb adds a burst of color and zest to a wide array of dishes. However, beyond its culinary allure, this unassuming plant holds a treasure trove of health benefits that often go unnoticed. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the world of rhubarb, exploring its nutritional prowess and the numerous ways it can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. From its impressive vitamin and mineral content to its potential therapeutic applications, rhubarb is a true powerhouse that deserves a prominent place in our diets. So let's embark on a journey of discovery, uncovering the secrets that make rhubarb a true superfood and how we can harness its benefits to enhance our overall well-being. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. Nutritional profile of rhubarb. Rhubarb may appear unassuming, but its nutritional profile is nothing short of impressive. This vibrant vegetable is a rich source of various essential vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds. Here's a breakdown of some of the key nutrients found in rhubarb. Vitamin K. Rhubarb is an excellent source of vitamin K, providing a significant portion of the recommended daily intake in just one serving. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant is abundant in rhubarb, supporting a robust immune system and promoting collagen production for healthy skin and joints. Dietary fiber. Rhubarb is a good source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system and promoting feelings of fullness. Manganese. This essential trace mineral is involved in various enzymatic processes and supports bone health, metabolism, and antioxidant defenses. Potassium. Rhubarb is a potassium-rich food, which is essential for maintaining proper fluid balance, muscle function, and heart health. In addition to these nutrients, rhubarb also contains beneficial plant compounds, like polyphenols and anthocyanins, which contribute to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Health benefits of rhubarb. The impressive nutritional profile of rhubarb translates into a wide range of potential health benefits. Here are some of the most notable advantages of incorporating this versatile vegetable into your diet. Supports digestive health. The fiber content in rhubarb can help promote regular bowel movements and maintain a healthy digestive system. Additionally, the presence of compounds like polyphenols may help support a balanced gut microbiome. Boosts immune function. The high vitamin C content in rhubarb plays a crucial role in supporting a strong immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses more effectively. Promotes bone health. Rhubarb is a rich source of vitamin K and manganese, both of which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. These nutrients may help prevent bone loss and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Supports cardiovascular health. The potassium and fiber content in rhubarb can help regulate blood pressure levels and promote healthy cholesterol levels, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Anti-inflammatory properties. The polyphenols and anthocyanins found in rhubarb have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory properties, which may help alleviate symptoms associated with various inflammatory conditions. Antioxidant protection. Rhubarb is a rich source of antioxidants which can help neutralize harmful free radicals and protect cells from oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Rhubarb in traditional medicine. Beyond its culinary and nutritional applications, rhubarb has a long-standing history in traditional medicine systems around the world. For centuries, various cultures have recognized the potential therapeutic properties of this remarkable plant. In traditional Chinese medicine, rhubarb root has been used as a laxative and to treat digestive issues, fever, and constipation. Additionally, it has been employed for its purported blood-purifying and detoxifying properties. In Ayurvedic medicine, rhubarb is considered a cooling and astringent herb, often used to treat conditions like diarrhea, hemorrhoids, and liver disorders. While more research is needed to fully understand the medicinal applications of rhubarb, its historical use in traditional medicine systems highlights the potential benefits that this plant may offer. Culinary uses of rhubarb. While rhubarb's health benefits are undoubtedly impressive, its culinary versatility is what truly makes it a beloved ingredient in kitchens around the world. From sweet desserts to savory dishes, rhubarb adds a unique and refreshing twist to a variety of recipes. One of the most iconic uses of rhubarb is in desserts, where its tart flavor perfectly complements the sweetness of sugar and other ingredients. Classic rhubarb pies, crisps, and crumbles are beloved treats that showcase the vegetable's tangy essence. Popular rhubarb recipes: rhubarb pie and rhubarb crisp. Rhubarb pie. A timeless classic, rhubarb pie is a quintessential treat that perfectly balances the tartness of rhubarb with the sweetness of sugar and spices. The vibrant pink filling, encased in a buttery, flaky crust, is a true delight for the senses. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for an unforgettable dessert experience. Rhubarb crisp. A rustic and comforting dish, rhubarb crisp combines the tangy rhubarb filling with a crunchy streusel-like topping. The combination of sweet and tart flavors, complemented by the buttery crumble, creates a delightful contrast in textures and tastes. Serve it warm, topped with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for a truly indulgent treat. Beyond desserts, rhubarb can also be incorporated into savory dishes, adding a bright and refreshing note to sauces, chutneys, and even meat or vegetable preparations. Tips for growing and harvesting rhubarb. If you're captivated by the allure of rhubarb and wish to cultivate it in your own garden, there are a few tips to keep in mind for a successful harvest. Choose the right variety. Select rhubarb varieties that are well suited to your climate and growing conditions. Some popular options include Canada Red, Crimson Red, and Victoria. Prepare the soil. Rhubarb thrives in well-draining, nutrient-rich soil with a slightly acidic pH. Amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure before planting. Proper spacing. Rhubarb plants can be long-lived and require ample space to grow. Space them at least 3 to 4 feet apart to allow for proper growth and air circulation. Harvest correctly. Avoid harvesting rhubarb during the first year after planting to allow the plant to establish a strong root system. In subsequent years, harvest the stalks by grasping them near the base and pulling them away from the plant with a gentle twist. Discard leaves. While the stalks are edible, the leaves of rhubarb plants contain high levels of oxalic acid and are considered toxic. Always discard the leaves and consume only the stalks. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of fresh, homegrown rhubarb for years to come. Common misconceptions about rhubarb. Is it poisonous? Despite its widespread popularity and culinary uses, there are a few common misconceptions surrounding rhubarb that often cause confusion. One of the most prevalent concerns is whether rhubarb is poisonous. The truth is that while the leaves of the rhubarb plant do contain high levels of oxalic acid, which can be toxic if consumed in large quantities, the stalks are perfectly safe to eat. However, it's important to note that even the stalks should be consumed in moderation, as they also contain small amounts of oxalic acid. Individuals with existing kidney or gallbladder issues should consult a healthcare professional before consuming large quantities of rhubarb. Another misconception is that rhubarb is a fruit. While it is often used in sweet desserts, rhubarb is botanically classified as a vegetable belonging to the same family as sorrel and buckwheat. By understanding these common misconceptions and separating fact from fiction, we can appreciate and enjoy rhubarb with confidence, while also being mindful of any potential risks or limitations. Where to buy and store rhubarb? If you're eager to incorporate rhubarb into your culinary adventures but don't have the opportunity to grow it yourself, fear not. Rhubarb is widely available at various retail outlets, making it easy to access this nutritious and versatile ingredient. During the peak season, which typically runs from early spring to late summer, you'll find fresh rhubarb stalks at your local grocery stores, farmers markets, and specialty produce shops. Look for crisp, firm stalks with vibrant red or pink coloring, and avoid those that appear limp or discolored. If you're unable to find fresh rhubarb, frozen or canned options can be a convenient alternative. Many supermarkets and online retailers offer frozen rhubarb, which can be a great way to enjoy its flavor and benefits year-round. Once you've obtained your rhubarb, proper storage is crucial to maintain its freshness and quality. Refrigerate fresh rhubarb stalks in a plastic bag or wrapped in a damp paper towel, and they should keep for up to a week. For longer-term storage, rhubarb can be frozen or canned for later use. By sourcing rhubarb from reputable sources and storing it properly, you can enjoy the tangy delights of this remarkable vegetable whenever the craving strikes. Conclusion: incorporating rhubarb into a healthy lifestyle. Rhubarb is a true culinary and nutritional gem that deserves a prominent place in our kitchens and on our plates. Its impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds make it a valuable addition to a well-balanced and healthy lifestyle. From supporting digestive health and boosting immune function to promoting bone strength and cardiovascular well-being, the potential benefits of rhubarb are numerous and compelling. But beyond its health-promoting properties, rhubarb's versatility in the kitchen allows us to indulge in delectable treats while still nourishing our bodies. Whether you're whipping up a classic rhubarb pie, experimenting with savory rhubarb dishes, or simply enjoying a refreshing rhubarb smoothie, the possibilities are endless. So why not embrace the vibrant and tangy allure of rhubarb? Incorporate it into your culinary adventures and experience the joy of nourishing your body with a truly remarkable and multifaceted superfood. If you're ready to embark on a journey of culinary exploration and embrace the health benefits of rhubarb, be sure to visit our website for a wide array of delicious and nutritious rhubarb recipes. From classic desserts to innovative savory dishes, we've got something for every palate. Sign up for our newsletter to receive exclusive tips, tricks, and updates on the latest rhubarb-inspired creations. Join our community of rhubarb enthusiasts and embark on a path to a healthier and more flavorful lifestyle. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.